And we're back here, Stock Recap Show. It is your one free weekly stock recap show only on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. And it is 21 July 2023, and I'm super excited to be here. But first, super important disclaimer here. These videos are all intended for educational purposes only. Trade your own risk. 9 out of 10 traders loses money. 1 in 3 traders loses 90% or more. There's no guarantee you're going to make money with this strategy or any other strategy. Don't risk money you can't afford to lose. Results are not typical. We gotta blah. And it is out of here. At PSQH is the first home run that we're going to highlight here. We're going to look at the charts in a second, but there were 3 stocks up over 50% yesterday now because today's the 21st, but we're going to take a look at these charts because wow, home runs. Okay, so PSQH looks like a recent IPO here. GFAI, it's in the AI space, but it's clearly been all over the place. EVLO, it's trying to dig itself out of a hole here. This daily chart doesn't look all that great, but let's get into the about to break out stocks. Siri is the first about to break out. This does kind of look good. There's huge short float here, so a lot of people are shorting this stock, which is probably a reason for this huge move. At least one of them. You can read into these 3 reasons. Siri is silent if you want. XXII is the next about to break out stock, and this is interesting, but it just, I don't know, it feels like it's not really breaking out yet. This one too, kind of maybe range bound, although, you know, if it passes 13, 14, 15, maybe I'd be more interested, but this low average volume is a little scary here. Okay, so that's it for the about to break out stocks. Now let's get into the IR list. Okay, so first stock on the IR list here is VIR. I don't know much about this, but it's down 44%. So it's gotta rest up a little bit, recover for getting back in the game here. GAS is the second IR list stock, and Carvana. Carvana is up it was up 1,000% year to date. I saw that headline yesterday, so that was a cool headline. I hope you got in at the beginning of the year and that 1,000% was your target. I guess it could double from here because it's already tenfolded, but I would say it's a little risky up here. And if you're sitting on a bunch of profits, maybe it's not a bad idea to cash those in. APLS does not look all that great, breaking down to new lows here below 40. But we'll see if it can bounce back. It's got high relative volume. Doesn't look like crazy amount of outstanding shares. So yeah, I don't know what to think about this one. I'm going to look into this news a little bit though. And NVDA, so we're starting an exhaustion list. This looks like it kind of topped out too, along with the semiconductor industry here. Okay, so in our scouting report now we have an exhaustion watch list too, which is a cool addition. Thank you to subscribers here for commenting and definitely sending me all the info that they want to see on these screens here. Okay, so that's it for this stock recap show. If you are interested in accelerating your trade knowledge and perhaps becoming a world-class trader, or just getting screener access or learning more about the markets on a discovery call here, you can schedule your strategy session at fridaytraders.com. And I or a member of my team will be happy to assist you on your trade journey. Okay, that's it for this stock recap show. I'll see you next week. See you then.